Ahead of the nationwide protest coming on Thursday, I told you I'll be giving you the whole information and what is going on the ground. At this very moment, companies in Nigeria, schools, the government offices, they are planning to shut down everything today. And it have started. MTN just announced that they are shutting all the whole offices nationwide because of the protest. So who knows when they are going to start again. This is a clear message, and people must understand that there is no going back about this protest. The federal government has done everything they could, try to, bribe the traditional rulers, try to bribe some pastors, some imams. They try to do everything possible for them to influence the people to change their mind. But, an angry man is a hungry man. Anybody you see that is always angry, not because someone is angry now, next hour the person will change his emotion. But people are constantly, getting angry because of the situation in the country. And you are trying to use people to induce them, to stop them from protesting. So many people, they are not giving them no protest. They will give them 1,000 naira. I'm just laughing. You see, those people are giving notes. They are the one that will protest more on Thursday. It is here. No going back about it. So, MTN shut all offices nationwide over protests in Nigeria. The article was written today, July 30th, because the announcement was made this morning that they are shutting the whole offices. Now, it was published by Shara reporters. Let's get to know the details of this news. The management of telecommunication giant MTN has announced the closure of all its shops across Nigeria amid protests over massive destruction of SIM cards due to non-linkage with National Identification Number (NIN). Now, the first point there is that recently you will understand that MTN blocked some lines and they have released so many lines they blocked. Now, most of people they blocked, they have linked their NIN to their SIM card. Like my own SIM card, they blocked it before. Now, the question people are asking, why do you people block the SIM card? We got the information that they block the SIM card because they perceive that the SIM cards they block have threats to this protest that is coming. That was the insider statement, the insider news. I could call it a rumor that we heard. But the truth is this. They understood that blocking people's line could trigger more fire during the protest. So they immediately, release it. Now, let's continue with the article. It says, this was contained in a short notice issued via the company's official social media handles, stating that the offices would be closed today, Tuesday, 30th July 2024. The notice reads, Yellow customer, please be informed that our shops nationwide will be closed today, 30th July. We are available 24/7 to support you via our digital channels. Shara reporters on Monday reported that the scores of Nigeria stormed the offices of the MTN in major cities in the country to protest the disconnection of their SIM cards. Recall that thousands of Nigerians on Sunday woke up to their SIM cards being barred by the MTN management. The disconnection comes as Nigerian regulators pressure telecoms to implement the NIN linkage policy introduced in December 2020. In February 2024, the Nigerian Communication Commission (NCC) told telecoms to bar subscribers who fail to link their phone numbers to their NIN on or before February 28, 2024. The deadline was extended to April 15, 2024 and later July 31st, 2024. That is a fraud. That is a big lie. I bought my SIM card in MTN office and automatically they link it to NIN. That was last year. Because the first time I was using, they sold it to another person. I don't want to make case with them. Now, the second one that I am using is this one that I linked it with my NIN. I registered it. I bought it from MTN office. So if MTN is saying that the SIM cards they blocked is because of people who do not link it with NIN, that is a big lie. These people know what they are doing, and that is why they are shutting down because of the fear of unknown. Because as I said before, every business, every government offices, the politicians themselves, everybody must answer everything they have caused Nigerians. They will answer for it. There is no going back. If you have caused people pain, you are government officials, you are a business agent, and government is using you to cause pain to the people. In these days of rage, you are going to answer it. Not in heaven, in this world. You will answer for it. Both those people who brought Ethiopian airline, they painted it to Air Nigeria, they give it to Nigerians, they will answer for it. Everybody will answer for everything they have caused. Now, tell me, up to now, Tinubu has never, tell Nigeria why Nigeria are buying fuel for 800. You say you remove fuel subsidy, and you are budgeting billions and trillions, 5 trillion for fuel subsidy. Then why are we paying a higher price when we have fuel subsidy? Tinubu is going to answer that question. Not after office. Now that he's in office, he must answer it. Tinubu have a lot of questions to answer. He will answer it. Now, the chief of army staff told us that in Okwama community, where soldiers died before in Delta State, in my state, that they are not going to kill innocent citizens, they are not going to do anything. As I talk to you, that community has not been rebuilt. Everybody will answer everything they have done. You will answer for it. Because the masses of Nigeria have been so patient, we have been so humbled, waiting for things to change, waiting for this to happen, waiting for this to happen. But you people don't care because you have a criminal structure you think that can back you off in the days of rage. The time is now that every politician must answer to the crimes they committed. Both people who embezzle our money, people who sold job opportunities that belongs to the masses, sold it to their families, both those who are deceiving the government, both those who are sabotaging the release of Nnamdi Kanu, both local government chairman, House of Assembly chairman. This is not only about Tinubu. Everybody have to answer what you are doing wrong. And I used to make this statement that when the government fear the people, there is liberty. But when the people fear the government, there is tyranny, and the tyranny must stop. Now, continue with that accusation. Other reporters also reported that some angry Nigerians destroyed part of the MTN office at Festac Town in Lagos State on Monday. That was yesterday. People destroyed some offices of MTN. And not only in Festac, it happens some other part of the country because of anger, I mean to say. So a lot of people are angry and you are blocking their line. Who does that? So you are trying to add salt upon injury. And I believe that is one of the fear that is driving MTN now to lock the offices nationwide. Now, the article continues. In a video seen by Shara reporters, the incensed customers were seen pulling down a gate belonging to MTN. Obun Ondo Adegborua, senior advocate of Nigeria, had also alleged that telecommunication companies are intentionally sabotaging the upcoming end governance protest. And that is where I come in. That is the essence of this video. So that is the purpose why they were blocking the line, because I was able to make some verification. I reached up to 28 people that they blocked their line, and none of them told me that they don't have MTN. All of them have their NIN, and they have linked it to their number. So come to tell me, why are they blocking the lines, or why do they block the lines? That is what the senior advocate of Nigeria just said, that it is because they want to use it to sabotage the end bad governance protest. And anybody that wants to sabotage the protest should get ready to be sabotaged, should get ready to lose customers. MTN is going to lose customers after this protest. It's a promise. After the protest, we are going to campaign. MTN is going to lose customers for attempting to sabotage our collective struggle. Everyone doing business in Nigeria, they lose in 2023-2024 because of inflation. They know what is going on in the country. Then why try to sabotage the people's struggle? They are on the news. They are seeing the insecurity challenges from across the country. Why are you sabotaging the people? The time has gone, and everyone will pay for everything he has done wrong against this country.
Many of us from the north are famed for cattle keeping. And when you are driving the cattle through different grazing grounds, the cattle believe that you love them so much because you protect them from the elements, because you protect them from other wild animals. But if the cattle were to know that you are the one who would end up eating them, they would treat you very differently. Invariably, they do not know. And therefore, you will continue controlling them the way you do, and you will continue eating them the way you do. But it's a totally different case when you are leading human beings. They are not like cattle. You may lead them in a particular direction. You may think that you have lulled them into a false sense of security. You may think that you have deadened their minds. But always remember that one day, if you don't do that which is good and right for your fellow men, there is a day of reckoning. There is a day of reckoning, and history has demonstrated that it can come in the twinkling of an eye. History has demonstrated that kings have been toppled. History has demonstrated that presidents have been removed. History has demonstrated that great men have been cut down. History has demonstrated that men can rise when they are misled. History has demonstrated that men are indeed capable of rising up. You know, I always read these words of the American Declaration of Independence because I love them. They apply to humanity. Before America became what it is, they had enlightened men. We hold this truth to be self-evident, that all men are born equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable right, that among those are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And it is for this reason that governments are instituted amongst men, and that when those governments fail to perform, it is the duty of those people to rise up and to remove such governments.